One bright sunny morning, 5 happy kids were playing near the edge of the forest. Suddenly, flutter, flutter, a little golden bird flew down and dropped something shiny on the grass. Look, it's a map! The map had tiny drawings of trees, rocks, a river, and a big red X. It says, "The secret box." All the kids gasped. A secret box in the forest? Yes, we will find them. Let's go find it. So the kids packed snacks, water, and a magnifying glass into their backpacks, and off they went into the forest. The kids walked deeper into the forest and reached very tall grass. The grass was so tall they couldn't see each other. "Where are you all? I can't see you." "Oh no, we can't see the path." Suddenly, a little bunny popped out and hopped in a zigzag line. "Follow me," the bunny seemed to say. The kids followed the bunny trail and safely crossed the grass. They came out into a bright clearing and jumped happily. "Yay! First challenge done! Thank you so much, Bunny. Let me see how we have to go further." "We have to go left side." "Yes, come on, let's go." Next, the kids walked into a dense forest with tall trees. All of a sudden, a flock of birds, of blue and brown birds, flew around, chirping. "It's too noisy. I can't hear anything. Let's close our eyes and stay calm for a minute." They stood still, closed their eyes, and took a deep breath. Slowly, the birds flew higher into the sky, and it became quiet again. Now we have to go this way. Soon, they reached a small river with wiggly stepping stones. How we are going to cross the river? But you see, it's deeper this side. Look here, we have stepping stones to cross the river. They stepped carefully onto the stones, one by one. Tap, jump. The kids crossed safely and cheered, "Good teamwork!" "One more challenge. Let's make it fast." "How to go now?" "We have to go straight now." The kids started to move to last challenge. The forest became thicker and quieter. Can you hear snoring sound? I think it's coming from that side. No, the sound is coming from this side. Far away, under a big tree, they saw a sleeping bear. What if he wakes up? Don't make noise. Let's move quietly. The kids hid behind trees and moved very slowly. Phew, that was close. The kids completed all the challenges and about to reach the X place in the map shown. Far away, the kids saw something glowing far ahead. Look! They saw a glowing tree stump with a red X on it. Yes, we got it! They all ran with happiness, their heart full of joy and excitement. The secret box must be inside this tree. Come, let's take it out. Together, they lifted the lid of the secret box. Shimmer, sparkle. Inside were glowing crystals, shining flowers, and a little note. The real treasure is bravery, kindness, and teamwork. The kids hugged, laughed, and danced happily. We did it together. We got 5 magic diamonds. We can share one each. The golden rules for using the magic diamonds. Oh, wow! The kid keep the note safely inside the bag. With happy hearts, the kids walked back home, excitedly talking about the adventure they had together. To be continued. what they're going to do with the diamonds. Let's see in next episode. Bye, kids!
Thanks for watching! Subscribe and support!